How to deactivate Facebook page. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To deactivate your Facebook page, start off by launching your Facebook application in your device. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to do so. Also ensure you are switched into your Facebook page. Then, in your top right corner, you will see the three horizontal lines. Tap on this given option. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now in the Settings and Privacy, click on the Settings option. From here, scroll down once again and click on the option of Access and Control. This will be under Your Information. Tap on this given option. Since you want to deactivate the page, make sure to select on Deactivate Page, then tap on Continue button. Now, all you need to do is enter your password to continue. If you don't know what to enter, just enter the password of your Facebook account. If you are the admin, all you need to do is just enter your Facebook account password and click on the continue button. In the case of forgotten password, select on forgot password to reset. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.